Welcome to a video on my driving robot discovery made of fischertechnik, based on the TXT controller which runs Linux and is programmed in my case in Python. So far the robot was situated at a starting distance of about 60 centimeters or more, driving towards that object with some more objects, and then separating the colors so you can only see the red one, and then driving towards that using also sonar and, if possible, also the touching sensors. The main objective from the very beginning was to determine its course by means of the color. So if you drive from an angle and you see just a little bit of red, drive towards the red, let the amount of red in the image with the color separation becomes larger, go towards it. So that's the goal. Find a way in the code to do that. So yes, there will be driving, but the coding, the details of it, will be for patrons only. So if you are interested in that, please become a patron and you have access to that part of the video, or to that video, because it will be a separate video. But first let's get powered on and drive a bit. So with the controller started and Robo Pro also active, let's see if things work out. This Robo Pro I will set to here, and that gives 8.7 volts, which is a little bit disappointing, but I'll have to do with it. So that's for the battery. Then I'll have to log into that one go. This will, very good. Okay, next thing is to make sure that the date is good, which is by now the 3rd of March. And time is 12:41. Into the code and running. And here I already started the SSH service, which makes sure that all pictures grabbed by this camera are transferred so I can view them. First of all, let's hope that it works out. Needless to say, these terminals are actually on the controller. Right, and here it comes. It won't drive because I made an error in the histogram last time, which I have to change now. So, and where do I have to do that? Right here. Here I have to make a change, and that one is for patrons only. Alright, some improvements on the code result in the fact that it is running, although the exact purpose is not yet achieved. Now that's yet another error that I'm meeting. either network error or TXT connection aborted. And boom. Okay. Quitting it, and now display TXT image, and I will use this one, so that is 1255. Oh, it's not been sent yet. Oh, that's a nice one. So I'm going here, 55, 25, ampersand, and that is, see, part of my leg and another object, and you see here just a little bit of red. So and I'm using res, and then I get this. So you won't see anything of that, and the idea of the histogram is that you will steer on this one and go towards it. And now the question is how to do that by using histogram, and we'll find out. Okay, now this comp number is of course a measurement on the comparisons of the histograms. The higher the number, the more they are alike. However, I am comparing them with the result image and the black image, which makes me wonder what the black image looks like. And in the code I have not yet implemented the copy to the computer of the black image, so that is what I'm going to do next, to be able to compare them. And only then I can be sure if they are indeed the same, or that I made a mistake in creating the black image. Because this number is rather high and close to 1, and 1 says they are alike. So I'm quite curious about that. And here you can see what the black result is, and then it is explainable why comp is so much alike. Only a little part of it, of the resulting image, is red. So how do I take this in order to make it to go to red? Am I taking the right direction in my solution? That is a very good question right now. And to be honest, I can't tell. I honestly can't tell right now. Because where is the red? Can I detect red then? It should be possible, of course. I'm not the first doing it. I've never done it yet. Right, given the time left, I will keep it to this for now. Let's just drag the robot once again, and I've placed it in a slightly different angle. And I had to replace the battery because it had gone off, as you can see here. Broken pipe, and I had to reel it in. So let's just run it. hopefully without a problem, but I think that idea will be in vain. And why that per JPEG data is, I have no idea. Another point is that this sensor is colliding now with this object, but given the weight of this object and the fact that it goes backwards, doesn't put much weight. So if I do this, it should do something. Maybe. Exponential light, that is really strange. Well, that's a nice light, indicating that there should be a course change. Nice sound. And now the propeller is being blocked, as you can see. No, you can't see. It's completely turning around. Okay. That hasn't happened for a long time. But anyway, let's say that's about it. So putting things back, it stays like this, and you don't even notice that it has made a complete circle. So I think I'll leave it at that for now. Some code changes which turn out to be not very effective, but at least I know now why. And a nice ground to go ahead next time. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion. And well, if you want to see the whole video, please become a patron, and if you're a patron, thank you for being one. Subscribing can by clicking on this little thumbnail. Becoming a patron, please click the link under the video. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. And please visit my website for more projects, including embedded systems like Raspberry Pi or much more fischertechnik. This is obviously going to be continued. Have a nice day, stay safe, bye.